All right, guys, last break of the night. It's been a good night so far. Pulled a lot of great stuff, and let's see if we can finish it strong with a nice helmet. So this is Series 19, 2017 Hit Parade Football Autograph Helmet, box number 82 out of 100. So 100 in this series, and some really big names that are coming out of here. So let's see if we can pull something really nice to finish. This is our last helmet for Series 19, and then next weekend we'll go to Series 17 in the Chicago edition that they released over Thanksgiving break. So let's see what we can get out of here. So Bob K, you've got the Bears, the Colts, the Rams, and the Giants. Chad J, you've got the Broncos, the Lions, the Packers, the Chiefs, the Chargers, Dolphins, Vikings, Saints, Jets, Raiders, Steelers, and 49ers. Jason B with the Falcons. Jason W with the Eagles. Johnny B. Cool, what's up, man? You've got the Cowboys. Ken's got the Bills and the Texans. Michael D. with the Bucks, Titans, and Redskins. Robert B. with the Panthers, Bengals, and Browns. Ronald, what's up, man? You've got the Patriots and Seahawks. Skyler with the Ravens and Jags. And then Timothy O. with the Arizona Cardinals. All right, so 82 out of 100, one autograph helmet. Whatever team we pull out of here is going to go to whatever team had that, or whatever person had that team in the auctions. So you can see it's all shrink wrapped up here. Joseph, was there a particular team or player you were looking for out of football jersey? All right, here we go, fellas. Good luck. Oh, we got a Giant. And this is a real helmet here. Riddell Giant helmet. But then they put a crappy name on it. Is that Victor Cruz? I shouldn't say crappy. He had some good seasons. I think that's a Victor Cruz. That is a authentic look. It's got the warning sticker on there. Still attached and everything. Fanatic certified. There's the C of A in the back. And it's also Steiner certified. So yeah, there you go. Victor Cruz autograph helmet for the Giants. That is an authentic helmet. So who had the Giants in this? Bob K. Bob, nice pull for you, man. All right, so we'll get that bag back up and in the mail to Bob tomorrow. So that's going to do it for the Hit Parade Football Helmet Series 19. Don't forget to check out, we got 2 next weekend that we'll be doing. So hope to see you then.